Optimization in machine learning. Optimization is the process of adjusting a model's parameters to minimize error and improve its predictions.
Think of optimization as fine-tuning a recipe. You adjust ingredients until you get the perfect taste. In machine learning, algorithms adjust weights and biases until the model makes the most accurate predictions possible.
For example, gradient descent is a popular optimization algorithm. It calculates the error between predicted and actual values, then adjusts the model's parameters in small steps to reduce that error, like walking downhill to reach the lowest point.
Optimization connects closely to the concept of a model, which contains the parameters being optimized. Without effective optimization, even well-designed models would produce inaccurate results and fail to learn from training data.
Optimization matters because it directly determines model accuracy and performance. It's essential in training neural networks, improving recommendation systems, and enabling AI to learn complex patterns. Optimization in machine learning.